Hello folks, welcome to Badger Loans and another short video for you. This time I'm going to do debt consolidation loans, and really we're doing debt consolidation loans for bad credit because that's what we do, bad credit. So what's a debt consolidation loan? Effectively what you're doing is rolling all of your debts if you have more than one, and let's face it, we've all got more than one. Store cards, credit cards, personal loans, overdrafts, whatever you've borrowed. You can lump it all into one loan payment. So if you total up everything you owe, and it's £6,000, but you're paying £1,200 a month on all of those different things, then you take out one loan, which will hopefully have a cheaper repayment than £1,200. So you roll all your credit up into one loan, and you hope that that payment is cheaper. That's the idea behind a debt consolidation loan. A lot of people that are going for debt consolidation loans will have bad credit of one form or another. So the lenders on the panel they're expecting it. They're looking for it. It's what they're there for. This is a bad credit brokerage. So, if you've got it, you're in the right place. A loan being a loan, just an amount of money over a period of time at a given rate of interest. A debt consolidation loan literally is just rolling up all of your debts, putting them into one basket, and you tend to find that it's cheaper than paying them all separately. That's debt consolidation loans for good or bad credit in under a minute and a half. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.